Hello everyone, I'm Flurfunk. Today we're diving into the scrolling behavior steering parameter in Tosca and its significance in automation tasks. In my Telegram channel, where I have over 2,000 automation experts specializing in Tosca, it's a topic of conversation that comes up continuously. Scrolling behavior is essential for ensuring that the controls or elements we need to interact with are visible and accessible on the screen. This is particularly crucial for web pages or applications where elements can be obscured by headers or other overlapping bullshit. The scrolling behavior parameter has several options: top, bottom, center, and none. Top scrolls the control to the top of the screen, useful when the control is initially hidden at the bottom. Bottom scrolls it to the bottom of the screen, great for when the controls start off higher up and out of view. Center aligns the control at the center of the screen, which is the default setting. None leaves the control's position as is without any scrolling adjustment. Now, let's apply these settings in a practical scenario. It's completely contrived. We'll use a Google search link as our control within an application. I'll demonstrate how you change scrolling behavior.